Hey everyone, JC Tech and Finance here. Welcome back to the video. I am bringing something a little different to you guys than my normal videos talking about enthusiast TVs. Reviewing the 43-inch QN90C made me wonder how good the most basic 43-inch model performs. And that's why I got the 43-inch CU8000 model into the studio. In this video, we're going to be doing a full unboxing of the CU8000 and take a first look at the features in this TV. Later on, in another video, I'll do a full review / overview. We'll get to the unboxing after this. Welcome back. Let's get started. So in the box, there's an unpacking and installation guide. There's the safety guide. There's the figure 8 plug and the remote. We'll talk more about the remote a little later. In addition, we also have the feet. So these feet are pretty special. You can adjust them up or down so that you can fit a soundbar underneath them, which makes the setup process pretty easy since you don't need to have a screwdriver. Let me put these aside. I'm going to go ahead and get the styrofoam top off. So I'm just going to rest this down with the plastic still on. So we will go ahead and install the feet. Okay, let's get this TV upright. And let's remove the plastic from the screen. Okay, let me show you the back of the screen. So on the back, there are 4 holes which will allow you to VESA mount it onto the wall. There are 2 USB-A ports, an Ethernet port, 2 HDMI ports. One of them is an eARC port and also an additional eARC port and a optical out port. One other port is the antenna in port as well as the power port. If you are mounting this TV onto the wall, you are going to be losing an HDMI port as well as the optical out port. So that is a downside for those of you who are mounting this TV. So I want to show you guys what's happening at the front here. So we have the energy guide sticker, which I'll just go ahead and remove. And then we also have a film that's on the front of the TV. And they also included this red square that indicates that it's a film so that you know that you have to remove it. There's also film on the sides. So let's talk about the remote. This is the latest remote released by Samsung. It's the same remote across the 2023 models. Even the QN900C uses this exact same remote. It's smaller than the previous year's version with more rounded edges. It's also closer in size to the Apple TV remote as well. So on the remote, you've got the power button, the settings / number selection button. You have the microphone button, you have a directional pad, you have the back button, the home button to take you back to the home screen, you have the play pause button, and at the bottom you have the volume up and down rocker, the channel up and down rocker, and then you have the 4 shortcut buttons, Netflix, Disney+, Samsung TV Plus, and Prime Video. It also has the solar charging capability at the back, and you can also recharge it the good old-fashioned way using USB-C. So let's set up this television. So if you're looking for a budget TV, this may just be it, but please stay tuned for the next video where we'll do an in-depth review and overview of the CU8000. Thank you all for watching. Please be sure to leave a like on the video if you got something out of it, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. This is JC Tech and Finance, signing out.